Halloween and spooky season are almost upon us, but do you know how to stay safe this Halloween? Hi, I'm Holly from Region Security Guardian's YouTube channel, where we make videos about security and security guards. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date with all the latest security guarding news. In today's video, we were talking all about Halloween safety. Is Halloween a popular time for crime? Halloween is a really exciting and popular time. Personally, I would say it's more exciting than Christmas, but it is also a really popular time for crime. Experts believe that crime increases up to 40% during the time of Halloween. It is extremely important to stay safe. In past years, we've even had security incidents where people have dressed up as clowns to attack people. What crimes are committed on Halloween? There are many different types of crimes committed on Halloween. Some of the most popular crimes are property crime, underage drinking, vandalism, car theft, and burglaries. Halloween safety tips. The best way to stay safe on Halloween would be to follow and practice safety tips. But do you know what safety tips you should be following? In a moment, we'll be listing our best Halloween safety tips regarding trick-or-treating, fire safety, and home security. Halloween safety tip 1. Install a security camera on your property. Our first safety tip is installing a security camera on your property. Halloween is a common time for break-ins, as many people go out and leave their homes vacant. The best way to protect your home from thieves would be to install a security camera on your property, and make sure that the security camera you do install has a night vision mode. This is because security cameras can act as a visual deterrent against thieves. Halloween safety tip 2. Use batteries for jack-o'-lanterns. Our second tip is using batteries instead of actual fire when you are lighting your jack-o'-lanterns. Lighting jack-o'-lanterns can be a fun activity to do on Halloween, but it can also be a little dangerous. We recommend that if you are planning on lighting jack-o'-lanterns, that you use batteries instead of actual fire, as this can be much safer. However, if you are planning on actually using fire, then make sure you light your pumpkins in a safe area and place them away from your drive so people won't trip over them. Halloween safety tip 3. Plan your route beforehand. Our next tip is always plan your route beforehand. Planning ahead is always a good safety tip to follow. And if you're going trick-or-treating, it's important that you do research beforehand on what route you're going to take and into what neighbourhoods you're going to. Halloween safety tip 4. Be careful when choosing your costume. Our fourth tip is to take care when you're choosing your costume. Dressing up for Halloweens can be one of the best parts of it, but you should also take care when you're picking a costume, as accidents can happen. If you're wearing a mask, make sure that you can see out of it okay to prevent trips and falls. A lot of people on Halloween light fires, so it's important that you make sure your costumes, wigs, and accessories are flame resistant to stop the risk of fire hazards. Halloween safety tip 5. Never enter a stranger's house or car. Our fifth and final tip is never enter a stranger's house or car. Now, this may seem like a really obvious tip, but it is still an extremely important one. You never know what a stranger's intentions are with you, so it's always important to remember to avoid anyone that you don't know that invites you into their property. So that's the end of our video. Did you find these tips helpful? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date with all the latest security guarding news. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you in the next one, and we hope you have a lovely Halloween.